Dear students, welcome to the online class of Pirozpur Government Girls High School once again. Our today's topic is change of degrees. In this class, I will show you how to change positive degree into comparative and vice versa. I think that you know the meaning of vice versa. That is, you have to change a positive degree into comparative, and again, if the sentence is in comparative, then you have to make it positive. This is called vice versa. Dear students, I have written 3 sentences here of this rule. The first one is, if you look at the board, you will see the first sentence is, Deepu is as intelligent as Tipu. The second sentence, your handwriting is clumsier than hers. The third sentence, a plane flies faster than a bird. Dear students, you know that the first one is an example of positive degree. As intelligent as, this is an example of positive degree, you have to make it comparative. To do it, you have to bring, you see that Tipu is here, Tipu, in the last of the sentence, you have to bring it at the beginning. Tipu will come here. And the first side of the sentence is Deepu. Deepu will go at the end of the sentence. The verb will just be here. Here the verb is, here again the verb is. And another thing you have to remember is that if our given sentence is in positive form, you have to, in answer you have to make it negative. So we have used not because our given sentence is affirmative. There is no not here, that is why there is a not in this sentence. If here is a not, you need not use not here. And if there is no not here in this sentence, you have to use a not. Then our change of degree. You know that intelligent is a bigger word, larger word. That is why you cannot say intelligent, intelligenter, intelligentest. You cannot say it. All of you know about it, I think. That if it is a larger word, then you have to use more and most. So intelligent, more intelligent, and most intelligent. So the comparative form of intelligent is more intelligent. I have used it, and all of you know that after comparative degree, a word is mandatory, that is then, THAN. You have to use, it is a must to use then after comparative degree. So after this comparative form, I have used then. So our answer becomes, Tipu is not more intelligent than Deepu. I think that all of you have understood it. That is, Tipu in this sentence is at the end, it will come at the beginning. Deepu here is at the very beginning, it will go to the end. And verb will be here. If there is no not here, you have to put a not here. Then you have to use the comparative form of this adjective, that is more intelligent. Then you know that after comparative there is you have to use then. So I think that all of you have understood this example. Our second example is, dear students, you see, your handwriting is clumsier than hers. So here your handwriting is one side and hers is another side. Hers means her handwriting. You know, hers means her handwriting. We could also write this sentence, your handwriting is clumsier than her handwriting. We could write it, but it does not sound well. That is why we have used your handwriting is clumsier than hers. But you have to understood here hers means her handwriting. So here we also find two sides. The first side is your handwriting, the last side is her handwriting. Now as I previously told you, in this example I told you that our last side will come at the very beginning. So her handwriting has come here at the very beginning. Then the verb is has just come, it has no sense, is has come here, and there is no not here, that is why you have to use a not here. That is to say, if the given sentence is affirmative, the answer will be in negative form. Then, dear students, you see that here clumsier and then, these are signs of comparative degree. That is, here this sentence is given in comparative form, so you have to make it positive. So you know that this is the clumsy. Clumsy is the positive form of clumsier. You know that clumsy, clumsier, clumsiest. So I have used clumsy. This is the positive form, and before this positive form, you have to use as. You know about this rule. That is, whenever you use a positive form, you have to use two s, one before that positive degree and another after that positive degree. So I have used as, clumsy, as. Then you see, then this part will go to the end, your writing, but we did not write your writing. Instead of your writing, we can write yours. This answer will be smarter. But if you write your handwriting, then actually it does not sound well. So you have to use yours. So I think, dear students, you have understood this, because here, like this one, you have to change the two sides. The last part or the last side will come at the beginning, and the first part will come to the end. And if there is no not here, you have to bring a not here. So the rules are the same. The first one and the second one, the rules are almost the same. So I think that all of you have understood this one also. Then let me go to the third one. You please look at the board. A plane flies faster than a bird. A plane flies faster than a bird. Dear students, here this is one side, a plane, and this is another side, a bird. This is ear form and this is then. So definitely it is an example of comparative degree, and you have to make it positive. So you have to bring a bird here at the beginning. A bird is here. Then this sentence is in affirmative form. You have to make it negative, because there is no not in this sentence. Now, dear students, you cannot put a not without any supporting word. That is, if you say a bird not fly, it will be wrong. To bring this not, you have to use does, or a supporting verb you have to bring. That is why we have used does not, because there is es. The verb is fly plus es. So that is why, because of this es, we have brought does not. Then does not fly. There will be no longer any s or es here, because we have used does. So does not fly. Then you have to use the positive form of this. You have to use the positive form of this word. It is fast. You know that fast, faster, fastest, fast, faster, fastest. So our given word is faster. You have to use fast, because this is the positive form. Then and before positive form, you have to use as, positive form as, or so, positive form as. So I have used so here. You may also use as. as adjective as, or so adjective as. You may use any of these. I have used here so. So a bird flies, a bird does not fly so fast as a plane. Our last first part has gone to the end of the sentence. A bird does not fly so fast as a plane. So dear students, this is how you will make a positive degree into comparative, and again you will make a comparative form into positive. But one thing you have to remember, that these sentences cannot be turned into superlative, because you see that in each and every case there are only two sides, that is Tipu and Tipu, only two persons. So you cannot make it superlative unless there are three persons at least. To make it superlative, there will be three persons, at least three persons, 3, 4, 5 or upward. But you cannot make it superlative if there is only two persons, Deepu and Tipu. It cannot be made superlative. You can make it positive, you can make it also comparative. Again, in this sentence, your handwriting and her handwriting, only two component, two elements, so you cannot make it superlative also. Here also a plane and a bird, two things, so you cannot make it superlative also. And the interesting fact is that in your question paper, you will not be told to make these sentences superlative, because it is not possible. So you will not be told to make it superlative. But you have to be able to make it positive and comparative. That is to say, if the sentence is in positive, the examiner will tell you to make it comparative. And if the sentence is given in comparative form, then you will be told to make it positive. So I think, dear students, if you are attentive to my lecture, then I think that all of you have understood